Dear students, in this class I will consider one more example to clarify a few more points about Keynesian theory of income determination. Let us assume that C is given as 25 plus 0.75y, so that S is equal to minus 25 plus 0.25y. 0.25y. Now, further assume that I is equal to I bar is equal to 25. I is equal to I bar is equal to 25. Now, let us see how equilibrium is determined graphically. The 45-degree line aggregate demand, aggregate supply. C is given with the intercept 25, slope is 0.75, and this is I is equal to I bar is equal to 25. Adding this 25, we have C plus I, that is 50. C plus I, 50. Now, using the equilibrium condition, Y bar is equal to 1 by 1 minus 0.75 into 25 plus 25 is equal to 4 into 50 is equal to 200. So, this equilibrium level of income is at 200. Equilibrium level of income is at 200. And in terms of saving investment equality, this can be written as investment I is equal to 25, saving is equal to investment at 200 level of income. Saving investment equality at 200 level of income. Now, suppose that producers believe that they can sell goods worth 300. Producers think that they can sell goods worth 300. Then Y is equal to 300, C is equal to 25 plus 0.75 of 300, that is C is equal to 250. C is equal to 0.75 into Y plus 25. C is equal to 250 with the I is equal to a total of 25. So, this is the point 300. Now, C plus I is 275, aggregate expenditure is only 275, aggregate supply is 300. So, what happens here is there is an excess of production over spending. There is unintended inventory accumulation, delta HU positive equal to 25 given by this distance. given by this distance. On the other hand, and here what happens is, in this case, investment is 25, but what about the savings? 300 into 0.25 is equal to 75 minus 25, saving is 50, investment is 20. So, saving exceeds investment by 25, exceeds investment by 25. Now, suppose that producers believe that they can produce only 100, they can produce only 100. If y is equal to 100, then consumption is equal to 100. Consumption is equal to income equal to 100. Consumption is equal to income equal to 100. And what is aggregate expenditure? Aggregate expenditure consists of consumption plus investment. 100 plus 25, 125. Here, aggregate expenditure exceeds aggregate income by an amount equal to 25. Aggregate expenditure exceeds aggregate income by an amount equal to 25. In this case, there is inventory depletion. There is inventory depletion, so that entrepreneurs will increase production. And in terms of this saving investment equality, again you will see that saving is 0, investment is 25. This is the point, 100. Saving is 0, investment is 25. So, aggregate demand exceeds aggregate supply by 25. So, only at the level of income equal to 200, there will be equality between aggregate supply and aggregate demand. Aggregate supply and aggregate demand. These points should be kept in mind.